Top Spacetech startups in India shaping the future. India is evolving and developing space missions like Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan, PSLV, SSLV and more to be among the top spacetech countries in the world. The global space market size is about $350 billion, of which India is holding out only 3%. The share of rocket launch service is 2%. The manufacturing of satellites is close to 5%, the share of space application services is 45% and ground equipment is 48%. So, the government body ISRO has asked private organizations to openly take part in space missions and use India's resources. The Spacetech startups are enthusiastically coming out and helping India achieve targets that were difficult or weren't thought of before. So, we have listed down the top Spacetech startups in India paving their way into space through path-breaking technologies across launch, communication, and satellites and massive investments. Pixxel. It is an Indian space technology startup started by Awais Ahmed and Kshitij Khandelwal in February 2019. It was Asia's only space startup to qualify for the 2019 TechStars Starburst Space Accelerator in Los Angeles. In December 2020, the startup had also partnered with New Space India Limited, NSIL, the commercial arm of India's premier space agency ISRO, to launch Pixxel's remote sensing satellite on an ISRO PSLV rocket. It recently received funding of $7.3 million, 52.8 crore rupees, from Techstars, Omnivore VC and others. The company is planning of launching the world's highest resolution hyperspectral satellite constellation, Skyroot Aerospace. It is a Hyderabad-based startup started by Pawan Kumar Chandna and Naga Bharat Dhaka in January 2017. Skyroot Aerospace is the first privately owned Indian firm to demonstrate the capability to build a homegrown rocket engine. It develops small satellite launch vehicles, SSLVs. On 8 February 2021, Skyroot Aerospace joined hands with Bellatrix Aerospace to use the orbital transfer vehicle of Bellatrix Aerospace with their Vikram series of launch vehicles. Skyroot has raised $4.3 million, including from space and defense contractor Solar Industries, and is aiming to secure another $15 million in funding by 2021. The company has been developing its first launch vehicle, Vikram, expected to be launched by December 2021. Bellatrix Aerospace. It is a Bangalore-based startup started by Rohan M. Ganpati and Yashas Karnam in 2015. It works on advanced in-space propulsion systems and rocket propulsion technologies. Bellatrix Aerospace has raised $3 million in a pre-series round led by IDFC Parampara, Startup XCD, Carsimven Fund, Kitwain, and Survam Partners, Suman Kant Munjal Family Office, at a post-money valuation of $10 million. On 8 February 2021, they announced a partnership with Skyroot Aerospace to work on joint space missions. With its lab in the Indian Institute of Science, Bellatrix had signed an MoU with Dhruva Space to work on joint space missions. Bollywood actress Deepika Padukone had invested in Bellatrix through Ka Enterprises. It is currently developing a space taxi, an orbital transfer vehicle, OTV, to be launched in 2024. The company will also be launching the rocket Chetak by 2023. Agnikul Cosmos. It is a Chennai-based startup founded by Srinath Ravichandran and Moin SPN in 2017. Recently, it had fired world's first fully 3D rocket engine, the semi-cryogenic rocket engine Agnikul. Agnikul was the first Indian space startup to enter into an NDA with the Department of Space, (DOS), under the newly established Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center, in Space. The startup later managed to raise 23.4 crores rupees, $3.3 million from investors, and by the end of 2020, the company raised almost $4 million. Agnikul has also received investment from Anand Mahindra, whose amount was not specified. It aims to develop and launch its small-lift launch vehicle, namely Agnibaण, by 2022. Dhruva Space. It is a Hyderabad-based startup founded by Sanjay Kanti in November 2012. It works on small satellites for the government, commercial, and academic markets. At present, the company is working with ISRO and the European Space Agency, ESA. Dhruva Space raised 5 crores rupees from Mumbai Angels, MA, Network, and other external angel investors. In 2014, Dhruva Space signed a deal with Amsat India to develop Hansat-2, an amateur radio satellite. On 20th November 2020, Dhruva Space entered into an MoU with Skyroot Aerospace to work on joint space missions. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.